All right, it's Nate with Kilts Can Do. Today we are going to be working with a little bit of electric on this Kawasaki Eliminator 01 125. In my previous videos, I got the gas line ran, tank taken off, the seat taken off, handlebars flipped back, reran gas lines. They were all old and corroded. Today we are going to be trying to start it for the first time, but we don't have a key. So that is going to be an issue. So I am going to figure out how to get this going. Oh, everything comes down in here. This pops off like that. Quick plastic cover. So we're gonna get in there. This is the plug. This comes up from the key. Plugs into this. I already took it apart. I've got some wires that are, who knows what they go to. They're not plugged up into anything. So if you guys know, let me get you closer. This one wasn't plugged up into anything. It's a 6-pin, and these two weren't either. They're just hanging there. So obviously the last person that had it was playing with it and changed some stuff, or maybe that's just supposed to be hanging there. I don't know. So since we don't have a key, we have got to figure out which connectors on that go to this to allow the bike to try to start. We have the battery disconnected because you don't want to work with that while it's connected. So what I'll do is try to jump this in some way so that we can go further. Otherwise, I'll have to order the key and all that stuff and wait for that to come. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I've been playing with it. I made this clip. It's just a metal clip. I did some troubleshooting and I found that it's either this one and that one and that one, or that one and that one. So we are going to try and see if that works. I'm going to call this 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to try at 1 and 4. Those are not the right numbers. I'm not an expert. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm guesstimating and playing as I go along and pray that I don't kill myself. So if no more videos come out, or actually if you see this video, I did not kill myself. Okay, so we're gonna try 1 and 4 first. Battery's disconnected. You don't want this in there for an extended amount of time. That clip would heat up and possibly cause damage. Hey, I don't know if you can see it, but the light came on. So let's connect that. So crank. Let me disconnect the battery. That's the ground. Okay, so it's trying to go over, but we're not getting anything. I do have a gas bottle. I will use that term loosely. It's an alcohol bottle filled with gas connected to the carburetor. And let's see what we can get. I will have to turn this off and then start it again. All right, I'm gonna connect the battery back. The headlight is coming on. Got the fuel up. Give a couple squeezes. The the stator's going. Alright, I think that's as far as I'm going to go at this time. Try to do some research and figure out what's going on. I will move on to something different for the next one. If you guys have any idea, let me know. Alright, so I think we've gone through quite a bit today and learned a lot. Made a few mistakes, dropped stuff on my foot. Maybe broke a toe, I don't know. It's all good. Anyway, send me some thoughts on what you think about the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Also, the wife allowed me to put shop light up in the shed and run some power out here so that I can work on the bike when it starts to get dark. So yay to her. All right, you guys have a good one. Comment, like, and subscribe.